What's going on with y'all? We are going to be putting the MEGUIARS Ultimate Compound to the test today. We're going to be testing on a 2005 Mercury Montego. Now with this vehicle, the paint on the side of the vehicle, the paint on the hood right here, oh, that's good. The main issue with this vehicle is right here on the roof where it's real dry and starting to oxidate at. And also back here on this trunk area where we're going to be working at today. So let's go ahead and get straight to the point. This is mostly going to be a do-it-work video. Just want to show you that it works, or if it don't work. Let's go ahead and start getting to work. Nothing really too difficult about it. Shake your bottle up. I'm going to go ahead and put a nice good amount on my towel right here. I'm just going to work it in a circular motion. Exactly how MEGUIARS say that you should. Work it in a circular motion. It's supposed to remove some of that oxidation. Alright, let's go ahead and get to work. We're just going to work in this small little trunk area right here. Just to kind of give it a test and see what it do. Put a couple of dabs directly on the surface of it. My main focus with this is going to be the top of the vehicle and this trunk area. And what I do is I take a little bit and touch up on the sides of the vehicle. But my main area is going to be this trunk area and the top of this vehicle where it's really oxidized at. Ooh. That squeak is good. That squeak means it's coming back. Ooh. You can actually hear how rough it is over here. And I just washed the vehicle. You can hear how rough it is right here. And how smooth it is right here. Yo, that shit crazy. That's actually working too. That actually took that little oxidation from off of there. Now I'm going to see if I can get the phone real close so that you can see. If you can't see it, then I'll go pull it over into the sun where you really be able to see it. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and pull it over into the sun right quick where you can see it. But you hear how nice and smooth that sound? You hear how rough it is right here. It took all that oxidation from off of there, got it back down to a smooth surface. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to go ahead and move this over here into the sun where you can actually see it. And I need to see it also. Now we got it over here in the sun and you can see a distinct difference. You can see where I actually cleaned that right here. You got all that oxidation from off of there. You can see right here where I cleaned it at. Listen when I move my hand. You can feel all that oxidation right here. This is why I just applied the MEGUIARS. You can see the line right here. It works. That's all this video is about, just to show you that it works. The MEGUIARS Ultimate Compound, it works. That's all I wanted to show y'all. And I'm finna go ahead and get to work because this is exciting. We got the MEGUIARS Ultimate Compound. You want to know if it works? That's all I gotta say right there. And it worked. It is literally taking the oxidation from off the roof of the car and it got it nice and smooth. You can hear the difference. I've already done the trunk area, but this is the roof right here. See this whole little area right here. That's the MEGUIARS Ultimate Compound. I'll go ahead and get you some.